onko te Japan ba edi nkwasasem da onko to say oforisa pomba edi nkwasasem da otumfo ba onyimi da enti no Ghana ha say no wo mo a omo sem amobra na omo sem enya hwa wo de NDC fo kwa nkofo mu domochi sankofo we say no a comedy wo mo a omo ni bra papa bia omo sem mi anhwe wo mo no anti no nkwasasem adokuro mo se de enkanka adokuro yi no sankofo we na pesa koto aba e de ama eye NDC no so nanka wo hwe obi de say Okudzato a skin light sa akoya na nim woni asorobo nyina eye pei sa akwa wo se na miram na mehia no mekutatu abeto cause me hu say wo asorobo a we na miram na se kokro hia na kokro be se so wo frɛ ba bɛkia no onwane because wo hia ne nua sa akwa we say yo akwa we etni dia kufu adwatem this mumu ni krom ana yeso nipa wo akoya ayira de ne so no wuri asante de frɛ no ye fa na ahmanka ene de so esa nipa opemfo say mama Ellen Eka wonyem kura ene say na waka wo ena we at parliament eso no idi atem akwa wo bi nto aso
abusia for me mamu nyina mo akwaba ediba Ghana Nsem TV so but mo de so be like video na be subscribe to the channel no turn on notifications say be next time videos of this nature ba also nsa ebitima kabi na so watch the wadwen or comment section wasa say the munim ne femi Mr. President na me wasa me besom na if by chance de me ye ofe na person boan which are through number na wasi no adaroma nsabeka na news today so ya nyina akoso ni beso pa so na another I came across a video and I'm watching on social media and it took me barely 4 hours to watch the video over and over again. Now me share video no I just hear them free me say politicians are disappointed Ghana mabunu. They be make say when you earn the goodwill of the people and you fail to acknowledge the fact that you've won the goodwill of the people, as a result of that, you have to be so much principled with it, they will rebel at the right time. In Kadia Nebe, I will say, youth of it, like youth or mind bimu, I don't more rebel politicians, not of a sudden, their wishes and their demands or the thing that they dream that they come to reality are only things of disasters.
Onko to say despite ba edi nkwasiasem da onko to Japan ba edi nkwasasem da onko to say oforisa pomba edi nkwasasem da otumfo ba onyimi da enti no Ghana ha say no wo mo a omo sem amobra na omo sem enya hwa wo de NDC fo kwa nkofo mu domochi sankofo we say no a comedy wo mo a omo ni bra papa bia omo sem mi anhwe wo mo no anti no nkwasasem adokuro mo se de enkanka adokuro yi no sankofo we na pesa koto aba e de ama eye NDC no so nanka wo hwe obi de say Okudzato a skin light sa akoya na nim woni asorobo nyina eye pei sa akwa wo se na miram na mehia no mekutatu abeto cause me hu say we asorobo a we na miram na se kokro hia na kokro be se so wo frɛ ba bɛkia no onwane because wo hia ne nua sa akwa we say yo akwa we etni dia kufu adwatem this mumu ni krom ana yeso nipa wo akoya ayira de ne so no wuri asante de frɛ no ye fa na ahmanka ene de so esa nipa opemfo say mama Ellen Eka wonyem kura ene say na waka wo ena we at parliament eso no idi atem akoya wo bi nto aso
say papa no Ghana ha say wo po bi ye nya atwem o hwehwe no na wo hia Dr. Lawrence Teta assign wo hia no wo chese bra na mampanya kufu Addo eti akonwa so ana LGBTQ plus wonsensem eba ya na papa yi emfa nensa enhye embre yase osofo isore waka ene ye nya no nene wo ji baabi ni nuan masofo nkaye en wo hwabo wo mo sa dentina wo makoma no atum na wo mo enka sanchira ban na ban no fa nensa enhye mbra na se afedie tumi sesan ya papa yi na no asesa wo dimi nkasa bi wo hwe pressure pa no de to sa ben mampanyira da kufu Addo eso bono chipa wona katwa boni mfim ese LGBT cross wo mo anya antuma na chese wo mo soso anka ban yi ba ya mampanyin ko kan se LGBT ko enya de bi ehia wo man Ghana enema hia ye no LGBTQ+ ho sansam enka ho no anka omo expect say Dr. Lawrence Tete wo hwe eni bre ene ahoden a wode keka na dwene kire sa be mampanye kufu ado no anka omo hwe anim se nka obeka bia so wan moin wakana no atum koto de ne bodwe nyanya nche de won fa no
senya ono pene sofo kan bi na
but the democrat yi e de aba e na me bomu it was say Dr. Lawrence Tete odinfoni kase aba the Ghanaian publisher animu ha say e say wo pe wo bia wo yenya atwom sofo yenya atwom pa wo Ghana ha na wo hia Dr. Lawrence Tete sign wo hu no that's all
na wako social no so akon se de mu si trolling no wo mo ko fa se de ohu he me say internet awurade a yes e be use the year eno nko akra be me mpanifo are accountable now and then
a few moments later
the other day trend pass so be Sam George
as one the
Sam George the other day
no otibuka ka say by mampanyi Mahama eba be mampanyi January 2025 by March no one de year first say budget aba na budget ni mu no say one more entwa CST communication service tax no one more ntwam na da so mu a obe o se dey work abrofo bi me refi brofo no me enyambo ukwada mekai me de brofo ne beba say we be attack mampanyi on it ena bra oni DSTV for nse mi so de ye no offer press conference na journalist ba ko don't want now the why ko bi say na adan na DSTV for wo mu tua CST o say say DSTV for tua CST dia ne koko bi sa GRA boss it me the number be ma no afre no look at that
so
what a response
what do I no don yira ebi ngo hwe nyame adom internet wo ho ya ye enguye ye ntwamu yi
ye be kaka mo sa
yes asem ho ye mpanipa asem mpanipa riba na bane wasem
wako gbenya second year no pay no me kan wo let this year no go try go wan vote wan mo ko joyi wa ma joyi ko onano joyi wa ma joyi lo wa pa mo pe wa ni no wa nyan no pe awoji ni no wa kan ngbe fo no ne mo tu wo
nko gina awia so e de asem a yesem yesi ensa me register for we are jokers in the country
de o born na
and we have jokers leading us in the country
wa she
comedians. They can't sit down, think outside the box, and five to the Fufurobia, Mamma, my yen to me advance.
You can't also be reset your mind. Oh, be reset your mind now, dear.
A man from Cojeviaso. And dear Sama, a man for Sim. Yes, I could get registration for Fro. Yea, Nansa womb. Yea, Nansa womb, besides St. George. Yea, Nansa womb. You're to the Ghana for home. First one, yeah, it will be to me quite 2 days, 3 days. Now, on Timmy register the same. Wo bi ono ti na kura atum ase wono wodo ansoro be didi e wadidi no wonya na fo no ho e di asem a Sam George say ya be yesem registration
boy
na asem a wokan ya wonim se wokan asem no wi na ofa no ho adwane wo ka daada nkura wo bi anya kura bi o kwasia na nitia na kuragu wase we ye biometric one and we ye first of its kind e bi si da Ghana card no me yom de den eh I don't know den biometric na o kan brofo keke wo do nsa akoto machine so na hu se onsa nie wo do wani ma ekohwe adiem ne hu se so machine e bunu hini ni akokora ba ne sara ne finito enya brofo a ehu
ne kan na da hodo
enti sa adwuma adwen ne ye adwuma 2010 2011 and ye sim registration 2021 2023 ye bi yeah no na biometric and tinka adwene ne ya dwuma aka che Sam George say ye ko NI ni abiso amo say sims ahodo a ewo nie omo awo mu din mu nie sabe we biometric na nya biometric ubetimi a cheke ubetimi ahu finito unya app bia
you can we also be reset your mind. Oh, be reset your mind now, dear.
Akoba, why you here app? A simple mathematics, simple work. When we enter, was see a beye now protect consumers. How? Where you can't tell Marines,
The can at that hodo.
Etumpan.
Abrotre class I crime no a cosso.
Hey.
So some George Catcher will say, yeah, by yes, idea we send a bay a crime a cosso a man for dinner mobile phone so and a man for chrono, do a man for fraudulent act no, a become a catcher and some mebunahene, Messoy Addo would didn't throw
The can at that
or
hodo.
cross in the quack.
Sheniakasa.
The can at that hodo.
Who many else opposite idea we? Catcher and cry to Toffee why ya warm wa or musing some cranny cassas in which room in crass some crass over cassas some George.
You can't also be reset to mine. Oh, be reset to mine now. The idea.
And to me protect consumer beer. Ya ye bako, ya yem yenu, ya be yem yensa. Trouble my ye pintino, near tin troch the Ghana for.
Oh.
Besides, NCF for your majuma ya, and the report to buy ye, besides some George said report to no, ye TV the common information committee, I want my imra soldier fee. Communication committee or my imra soldier fee, report 2023 after registration, ye TV for report to no call ye. More committee no so will be no can report to be K no making kind Oba Bonteno the entire baby say 2021-2023 the no ye no ye who sin to ABCD this time ye be no ABCD common sense
Oh, the whole bad, the whole brutal.
Munyan sem hunu no
Therefore, the position you took on issues of national interest yesterday, let us hear, see, experience what you stand for today. And yes, I'm a flyer. We're dealing with you as politicians. But can we have a farm on the phone? Then we are in common. Then, and come on, better be a no fan, sir. Better be a no fan, sir. Because I'm a some people to tip out of one and because mommy you say no yes we are so from mokas and I'm mokas say we are manufo and the assemblies of God suffer on go in the run up to election 2024 no it was so clear some politics and oil I'm going to be a board chairman. I didn't say I give you a ba. Dr. Williams, I give you a ba. And no more appointment, sir. Tiasam na show Musua, one back around to me, no matter the bedroom. And I guess I quite
Rich themselves. Now, mama, say people go to sit under such people, and I am a young. Say I crossed the age of 40 near Chile, and some maybe who say church is a scam, right? And you see,
and you turn it to be a scam.
Obia name young upon a bio. Until a young figure from back. Obia would yame. Obia would angel dinachi. As I sit here, never again would I go and sit under the feet of anybody to tell me who God is. And said, make Jaria no pa. No ma shatter, dear Semi Quasor, the Beko jogging.
Hey.
Oh, yes, it was in my life.
Oh, I think.
So, Church
going too far.
Has intimidated African people. Church has made us poor. Church has enriched a few.
No, but the fact
so for Penny Lawrence 2024, can be a Catholic Bishops Conference say, Woman Yatrum, and Woman Kasa and for LGBTQI plus and a fine go see him. Sadiana ye chua dear, as I say, you're sorry, Emma or can say, some Penny Kufado and science have been one, obesim pam on one man demonstration, obesim at seat of government, actually, man Penny Kufado say. This nonsense must stop. Sabokai. And then there's of Penny Lawrence that what's it in? In fact, LGBT nyawanism. One casa we no. As all tenacity. Why what tenacity? Now what bisa who say? What bisa who passing there someone who can ye? What who nimu? What dreamu? What this yamu? On tiasiemu. se president Akufo-Addo na tie kunwa so se Ghana mampani a enka de wo kan no nure saa na obeka no ana de wo kan no nura no enka saa na obeka me ade ba kwa me mpekra wo me radio adwuma ma ye nyina mu ne se me mpese me ka sofo bia ho asem asofo asem me mpeka kra a very uncomfortable for me me nya ade a me kakra ba se wo nyame kwan na wo de ato ho no se wo so ye sofo na wo beka no kra kire Ghana fo na nyame kwan todo no eda ho asofo esese muhu no kra wei na mo kan na wo de ba be ye wo de be wada because wa ka se president ma ye wadamfo wo ye would be a wo ne no country musam ni